Hi, we meet again in this tutorial. This tutorial will introduce you about resources. What is the resources? Resources are people, supplies, and equipment which you need to use to accomplish your tasks and goals. Project uses resource information you provide to make the schedule for your project. The principle of the resources is simple. The more resources you assign, the shorter the duration of the project will be, because a task is completed faster when there are more people or materials assigned to it. In order to use the resource, we need to create a resource list. So, you have to go to your resource and click on under the team planner and find resource sheet. So, this resource sheet actually tells you about the list of the resources that are available for your task. Okay, I'm still referring to the manual used in the syllabus. Alright, so this is my resource for my project. And put the label for this postage. Right, so this is the list of our resource. So next, we have to assign our resource in our Gantt chart. So to do that, we have to go to your Gantt chart. Alright, I believe that most of you do notice about there are columns which is already there in your Gantt chart. If the column is not exist for your resource, you may choose from your drop down menu and find your column. Insert column and find your resource names. Okay, so since my column is already here, what I need to do is just assign the task according to my resource. Alright, for example, for team meeting 1, okay, team meeting 1, expand the task. Alright, the person in charge, double click the task and you will have the task information here, and go to the tab resources, put the name of the person. You will notice that the name of the resources that you already key in the resource sheet will appear here. Alright, click OK. Okay, next thing, the task that should be given to Jendo is for research new product. Okay, you also can use the resource name here. Okay, create an outline, write a rough draft. Alright, for team meeting 1, we have to make a little bit modification, where here Jendo and KTICO will work together to handle the meeting. Okay, for KTICO, we will assign tasks, for example, edit the rough draft, prepare through desktop publishing, get quotes from printers, and create mailing list. Alright, okay, so do mail out will be done by postage, and another one is for KTI Jendo and KTI Co. Okay, you have to make a little bit of alteration in unique in the at the postage row. Instead of 1 stamp to 5,000 stamps. Okay, so click OK. So as you can see, besides of when you key in the data into your column, you also notify that on your Gantt chart, the name will appear beside the bar, beside the timeline bar. Alright, so this is how your resources can be entered into your Gantt chart and also to your task entry. We will meet in the next tutorial.